Hi, if you're having high ping issues on Roblox, either lag or ping spikes, these are a few things that you can do to try to fix that. So, first, of course, you want to restart your router, your modem. You want to wait 60 seconds before turning it back on, just for the capacitors to fully flush out the current. After that, always try to be on a wired connection, not on a Wi-Fi, especially if you're on PC. You should have a direct Ethernet cable from your modem to your PC. Then, when you've done that, all the hardware technical stuff, we can go into network, control panel, and then network and internet, and network and sharing center. Now, in the network and sharing center, I'm currently connected via Ethernet, and I'm on network 5. And here on Ethernet, I have the option to click it, and it will open the Ethernet status currently. When I click on properties, and I go to Internet Protocol version 4, so IPv4, then we click on properties, and in here, this is probably going to be on obtain an IP address automatically for you, and it's going to be on obtain DNS server address automatically for you as well. You want to make sure that you click on use the following DNS server, and you want to type in 1111 and 1001. These are better optimized. These are better DNS servers that your PC can use because it sometimes struggles with finding automatic DNS servers. You want to click OK. You want to close this. You want to close this. And that usually fixes the lag spikes. If that doesn't fix the lag spikes, you want to try to limit the number of applications that are spending your network bandwidth. So if you right click on your taskbar and go to Task Manager, now in the Processes tab, right here we have Network. Mine is currently not using a lot of network, but if we just click on the Network tab, you can sort by which apps are using the most amount of network on your computer. And if you're playing Roblox, make sure that you try to minimize the applications that are taking a lot of network space up, because that is going to limit the amount of network space left for Roblox to use. So the less applications that are running in the background, the more network usage Roblox is going to have. So logically, that just decreases ping spikes. If that doesn't work, you will need to upgrade your internet connection or find a better internet connection if you have no money to upgrade. Good luck.